All right, for more on this, we're being joined by Ms. Irina Sukuman, Human Rights and National Security Attorney and International Affairs Analyst, joining us live from Washington, D.C. Welcome to World DNA. Of course, I want to get to it directly, ma'am. Now, the court's decision comes just one day after one day before Super Tuesday. And I wanted to understand from you, Trump currently holds an overwhelming lead in the race for the Republican nomination. Talk to us about what kind of impact this will have in the ongoing election campaign. Of course, it's a big decision which goes in Trump's favor.
Yes, indeed. I think the most immediate impact is that he will be restored to all of the ballots in the remaining states which have held off removing his name pending the Supreme Court decision. Obviously, what applies to Colorado will apply to the other two states as well, and new challenges on that ground are obviously not expected as well. And this decision is also a very strong precedent for any future challenges of that sort. Essentially, the states hold no power over over what is basically federal jurisdiction, so they will not in the future be able to use justification for other candidates either.
The Supreme Court did not weigh in if January 6th was insurrection or not. I want to seek your assessment that will the former U.S. President Donald Trump use this as a basis for saying that he is exonerated from everything that he has been accused of?
He will certainly try to do that, but it's worth noting that he was never charged with insurrection or even direct participation in a riot. There has been accusations against him for inciting riots, but not the constitutional crime of insurrection, and he was never convicted of insurrection, nor has he been convicted yet of any other crimes. Those issues are yet to be addressed by the courts. So it is fair to say that so far he has had no convictions, but this particular decision cannot be interpreted as exonerating him either from the crimes he has actually been charged with or anything he could be charged with but hasn't been. It is a procedural decision that weighs in entirely on the constitutionality of the states attempting to apply federal clauses to candidates running for federal office. It has absolutely nothing with the substance of the discussion about whether or not January 6th was an insurrection and what role, if any, Trump played in those events.
Right, Ms. Sukuman, thank you so much for taking out time and joining us here on WION.
Thank you.